Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel, and we're back with a Renault Trafic hints and tips. Might be the same on a Vauxhall Vivaro. If you're wanting to take either of your headlights out, I featured how to change your side light bulb in a previous video, which I'll put a link to the top right hand corner as and when I can. But if you're wanting to remove your headlights because maybe they're damaged, they're UV damaged, they're etched, they're not clear, they're broken, unfortunately you're going to need to take your bumper off. I've taken my headlamp out because actually the clip on the bottom was broken, so I'm going to change it anyway, put a new one in and have to take the bumper off. But the way that the headlight is held in is you've got a 10mm bolt machine screw that goes in there on top of the headlight. You've got another one on the top here. You've got a retaining clip which holds up here, up behind the front bonnet strut on the top innermost part of the wing. And then you've got a 10mm machine screw bolt here, which is just down basically in level with the battery, which is here. So there is no way really that you can get your arm through the radiator intercooler, through that part of the front of the van to get your hand around the back to get that off. So we're taking the headlight out, you're going to have to take off the bumper or either peel away somehow the inner wing, and get your hand up through the inner wing cavity and release this 10mm nut here. That's the only thing stopping you from making you have an easy job. So you've got 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here, and you've got a clip here, and the headlight has to lift out with the topmost part forward because there's a lip that sits under the bumper. So Renault Trafic headlight removal. I thought I'd add this video, may help somebody out there that says scratching their head on their driveway trying to replace a headlight. Check out my playlists on other videos featuring Renault Trafic hints and tips. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Press the bell icon for notifications, subscribe and like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching AW Services.